Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Currently recording this on my 2017 MacBook Pro 13-inch. So if anything looks a little bit weird, that's most likely why. I just wanted to show you guys, I just updated to 10.14 Beta 5, and this one does include some new wallpapers, so I just wanted to run through those real quick and show you guys what is new. So the one I have on screen here is, of course, one of the new ones. And then popping over into System Preferences, we'll check out some of the other ones. So right here we do have some new dynamic wallpapers. So those change based on the time of day at your location. So they'll fade in and out kind of between like this light version and dark version. And that works along with the dark mode in iOS, or sorry, not iOS. That works along with the dark mode in Mojave. So that's one of the features. We also have some new pictures of the desert right there. So there's number Desert 4, Desert 3. So some pretty cool new desert pictures. I'm not sure all of these are new. I don't remember off the top of my head what was new and what wasn't, in the last beta. But this one right here is for sure new. This one is for sure new, right there. So these colors. I want to say that one was in there before. I know this one for sure, I think was in there before, or certain versions of them. And then we have these cool reflection shapes right here. A lot of people think these might be hinting at a new product, not too sure what, but there's different reflection shapes right here, so not too sure what those would be hinting at. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions, post them down in the comments section below. But my favorite is most definitely this one right here, and that's actually the one I've been using, which is Chroma 1. So that's my favorite right there. I like the colors. The colors on the Retina display just look really nice. So I'm just going to scroll through these one more time right here. I'm not going to click on all of them again. But you guys can kind of see the small pictures of what's new on here, just because, like I said, I don't remember off the top of my head what is new. But we do have some nice new backgrounds on macOS and Beta 5. So hopefully they do keep adding some more. Maybe we'll even see some more in future betas of iOS as well. This has been Colin with Techout. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.